Hey y'all, welcome to your newest home here in Chatham Hills. We're here at 1301 Chatham Ridge Court, a custom home built by AR Homes. Let's go take a quick tour. Come with me. Here we are in your open kitchen area here, kitchen, living space here. Look at the view. I mean, you just cannot beat that view. You're on a lake, a pond. You're looking over out on a golf course. I mean, fantastic. Cannot beat it. Come, let's take a look at the kitchen. Hey, come on into our walk-in pantry here. Come on. As you can see, this pantry has a full refrigerator in here. So it's hidden from the rest of the world. You would never know. All right, we're going to take a quick peek at the master on this Ventura model by AR Homes. Come on in. Let's take a look at the master here. As you can see, the view is fantastic. You still got the same view of the golf course. Just breathtaking. You cannot beat that. We're going to take a quick look at the bathroom. Come on in the master bathroom. As you can see, we have a deep soaker tub, which is fantastic for kids, family, or even in one of those late nights you just need to relax. And you have a full two-head standing shower. Go ahead and take a look at that. Walk-in closet. Come take a look at this. Gorgeous. You have a nice stand-in folding table. Put your clothes in here. Like, this is gorgeous.